Hi and good day to you all. My name is Puran Yavaran from EIM. Today I want to present my industrial training presentation with you all. Okay, first of all, we want to see the overview for this presentation. This presentation outline of the industrial training I undertake a part of the Diploma in Engineering Technology in Electromechanical Installation and Maintenance. It highlights the industrial training objectives, scope, company background, and vision tasks and activities completed throughout the program. The presentation with the key learning and the recommendation with the future industrial training experience. After the overview, we want to see the project overview. The project overview are to complete the final semester of the Diploma in Engineering Technology in electromechanical installation and maintenance. Students are required to undergo a 18-week industrial training relevant in companies. This hands-on experience designed to expose the students to the real-world working environment, allowing them to apply their technical knowledges in the skill throughout the training. Students are exposing maintained to the daily logbook, upcoming the submitted to the report detailing the company background and scope working team. These presentations related to the overall training experience and key learning to the recommendation of future improvement also. After the overview, we want to see is the objective. The first objective is to provide the student to, to explore their task and they are studying to the carry out before to the making the criminal commitments. The second objective is to develop the skills and the technical that are applicable to the future careers. The third objective is students sense the responsibility and the good working habit through the hands-on experience. The fourth, students to the real world environment to help them gain the knowledgeable with the writing the technical report and the project task. The last objective is the strength of the teamwork spirit, build the confidence, and develop the personal level to the students. Okay, the next is we want to see the scope of the industrial training. Okay, Multiplus Solution is the engineering company specialist in the designing and installation, maintenance, and troubleshooting of electrical mechanical systems across the version the industrial stuff. Company provides the solution which include the panel wiring, automation system, pump controller system, inverter programming, and machinery service. MPS also offering customer engineering service to meet a client-specific needed, ensure high standard of effectiveness, safety, and performance. With the skill, the team is strong and quality workmanship. MPS play a key role to supporting the industrial operation throughout the region. The the next part we want to see the company background. Multiplus Solution is located at Butterworth, Penang, Malaysia. Is an engineering company specialist in the industrial automation, electrical and mechanical maintenance, and the system integration service devices. The maintain sector including the manufacturing, electrical and automation. MPS offers the service as a control panel designing and machinery installation, troubleshooting the preventive maintenance to the fabrication device, and the customer focus on the company price and the delivering high quality of engineering supported with a skills team and engineering of technicians. MPS as a technicians and specialists and they continue to improve their help to the success within the effect and ensure the long-term success. After that, we see the company background. Now we see the main activities at the multiple solution. The first main activity is the designing and fabrication of control panels. MPS is the designing and build a customized control panels to the manage to the regular plate and the machinery operation, ensuring the safety of the effect procedure controller. The second main activity is providing the electrical and mechanical maintenance and service. Regular and keep up the spares and the repairs on the perform the prevent breakdowns and extend the lifespan the electrical and mechanical equipments. The next main activities are the troubleshooting and repairing automation. Find and fix a problem in automation machines or the system to keep them working properly and avoid the delays. The last main activities in multiple solution is installing and considering the industrial machinery. The company handle with the step-up installations, testing, and new machine to ensure they are operate correctly and make clean and specifications. Again, the next thing we want to see is working ethics. The work ethics is the normal no, moral principle of the professional standard of the guideline individual content in the workplace. It is even the beginning the, the demo of honesty and the real tasking show the respect towards the colleagues and the supervisor and also the clients. The strong work ethics is also the included the communication, developing high quality communication with high quality ethics. Moreover, uploading the good work ethics not only the process and the amount of the team members, but also for the generation, the growth of the overflow success of the organization. Okay, after the ethics, we want to see the task assessment. The first task is maintenance and machinery. Perform the regular check and the repair and ensure the mechanical operation smooth and prevent the breakdown. The second task is troubleshooting the electrical system. Identify and resolve the electrical defect and the panel and the control system and restore the proper functions. The third task is panel rewiring and assembly. Assess the wiring control panel, ensure the correct connection and the with the safety standard. The last task is a program and the unit control system. Work with the inventor of ASC to step up and the optional machine operation according the requirement of customer needed. Okay, after the tasks, we want to see tasks attended during the workshop session. Workshop tools and the equipment holding. Learn to identify the safety, handle the workshop tools and necessary. The second task is the spare parts inventory spot. Help the record store levels and check parts available and assist the spare parts in requirement. Okay, the next task is the welding, painting, and monitor the fabrication. Okay, observe or assume the small welding work and the spray paint tasks for the panel also. So the next part we want to see is a conclusion. Then we are coming for the last part for this slide is a conclusion. Conclusion for this slide is working the engineering company as a multi-class solution can provide the human and gaining the available practical tasks and develop their skills and the successful engineering career. This is an environment allows students to training to apply the knowledgeable to the real world project, achieve the technical requirement, and understanding the workplace domestic also. To learning the experience, not only the technical but also needed the important soft skills such as the teamwork, communication, and professional responsibility. Learning of to communicate the effect to the teamwork to complete their tasks also. The communication is a very best to the finish one task and we can do any work with the communication also. In this slide, you can see I am working with inverters and panel also. So, okay, that's all for me. Thank you so much for you all to see my presentation. Thank you.